Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm going to attempt to show you something that came from RADDY. Now, I've showed you already this guy right here. Let me get it out of the bag. That guy right there, which is the, I call it emergency radio. They call it multi-function camping lantern. Like I said, I already showed this to you. But the other thing that came in the package, you can get them separately, but they sent me the package, is the lantern and a solar panel for charging the lantern, or my power supply right there, 300 watts. Yep. And we look at my phone here. This combo, would you believe it or not, is on sale for $89.99. Normally $114.98. So that's a 22% savings. And I'm going to try to show it to you right now. It comes with this cable for attaching it to various devices, and it comes with these accessories, various connectors for hooking up to different things. Comes with 4 carabiners, and I'll show you what they're for in a second. This is what it looks like folded up, and there's one of my cat hairs. And this is the connector right here under this little thing right here. So you can output either this connector right here with this adapter, or a USB, or a large USB. So it has 3 outputs. It has a LED to indicate that it's either giving a charge or charging something. And let me open it up. It's quite large. There it is. I hope my camera's picking it up. 3 panels. Let me measure it here for you. This is where I really need help. It's 24 inches by about a foot, about 12 inches. And the supposed max output is 30 watts. 30 watts. So, like I said in my previous video, this has a built-in solar panel, but these are so small they don't do a very efficient job of charging the radio. It will charge it, but it takes a while. Where here, now you can fast charge it. And we're going to attempt to show you right now how you can do that. Now, let me turn. I got to remember where the port is. Hold on. Where is the port? Oh, it's right there. Looking for the port on this lantern so you can charge it. Okay, there's the port right there. Right there, you can charge it, its built-in battery, or use a built-in battery to charge something else like your cell phone. So that uses a standard, and I didn't bring, yes I did, USB connection. And what I brought, which I hope it matches and it may not, well, I don't think it does. I really should have brought another cable. Yep. This is my USB tester, but it's old school. So it's got the old original USB ports. And so I don't have an adapter. I was hoping I could use this to display the charging rate, but I'm not going to be able to. And I'm not going to hold up the video to do that. So what I will do is I will charge show you it charging my backup power supply. 300 watts. I like this thing. And I believe, let me unstrap the cable. Bear with me. It's outside. It's a little warm here this morning. I believe this is, yeah, that's the right connector. So we go over here and we hook the other one up here, the output. And the light, the LED is on, meaning it's getting enough light to put out power. Although right now it's, would you believe it, cloud just came and it's overcast. Sorry about that. Now, this should, when it gets enough juice, it should show that it's charging right here. Let me aim this towards where the sun is, but the cloud's in the way. Okay, that's not going to work for me. I was afraid of that. Nothing wants to cooperate. But let me see. Let me go back here, and the light is on. That's indicating that it is putting out power to charge. Oh, now the sun is coming out, but it has moved, so it's behind a tree. I can't win. Let me just try something. Let me get up. That's not the easiest thing for me to do. And I'll go over here on this side of the table where the sun is shining. Well, kind of shining. There it is. It's coming back out. Okay, now we're getting a little more light there. I thought this would. Do I have to turn something on to? I haven't used this in a while. What am I missing here? These are all the outputs. This is a nice power supply. I don't know why it's not charging. Maybe it doesn't need to be charged, because I've done several tests already. And come on, cooperate. Now it should be charging. Let me see if I'm doing something wrong. I got something set up wrong here. Stand by. This is definitely where I need help in doing these. Okay, that should be there. That should be supplying power. And I don't understand why. Okay, lay it down here in the sun. I don't know why this one would start charging. Oh, is it? No, it's not charging. Well, it's just not going to cooperate. I'm trying to think. Let me try something else. Maybe I have to use, I think that's right, because I remember when I was testing it, I had to use one of these adapters. Let me see if that's the problem. Bear with me. What do you expect from an old man? Okay, I remember pulling this off, and because this, I think, changes the outputs. And the answer is no. I don't understand. Oh, it was on. See, it just went off. So it was on. As I said, I've been testing this and it's already fully charged. That's the problem. It's fully charged. So it was on. It was showing all bars because it was almost fully charged. Now it's fully charged. It turned off. That's what happened. Sorry about the confusion. Anyway, I was hoping, like I said, I was hoping I could use this, although it's old school, to show you, maybe I could at least display to get things out of the way here. Move this over. Bear with me. Okay. So I'm going to hook this, which is my tester, to the output port and see if it turns on my tester. It does, but it's extremely light. The display is extremely light because we're outdoors. So let me put that back down and, well, let me remove this. Stand by. Oh boy. I knew this was going to be hard. Okay. Now, whoops, I disconnected it. Okay. It's displaying, but it's really, really dim because this is made for indoors. It says it's putting out 18 volts and it's not showing any current because I don't have it connected to anything. That's my mistake. And I have nothing down here that I can connect it to because this is the old style USB connector. I need an adapter that I could put in here. I forgot that cable, but it says it is supplying 18 volts, 18 volts. So let me look at the little sheet that comes with it, and it says it will output 5 volts, boom, boom, and 16.8 volts, 12 volts. So this guy is actually reading 18 volts. So this guy over here, he wants 6 to 18 volts. So it was being charged, which it is now. See, it's very dim, especially outside, very dim. So it is charging, but it's right at a full charge. So it turns off, stops charging. So it's all working well. Sorry for all my confusion, but I hope the camera recorded this halfway decently because it is hot out here. I'm in Clearwater, Florida, and it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's hot and muggy already. So I don't want to do this shoot again. The gun, again, this comes from RADDY. They have the deal right now where you get the radio / lantern and the solar panel, and my screen just went off. Okay, wrong page. For $89.99, normally $114.98. So there it is right there. I know you can't see it because we're outdoor. That's it. I've done my best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.